we're just stood at the front of the plot of Vista del Lago, and this is a very impressive 5-bedroom property with a 14-metre pool on an exclusive development which has one of the best views of the area. So you've got Lake Vinuela, you've got the Mediterranean, and then around the corner you've got the Mount Maroma. Okay, so it's a brand new urbanisation, just pending the final paperwork, which is been guaranteed by the town hall and by lawyers, and this is just also been fully repainted inside and out. There's been some modernisations to the property as well, but it's very impressive. It's got a garage for 3 cars, central heating, lots of extras. There's 2 entrances. The top one is just up through there. Okay, and then the lower one we'll see from one of the terraces, but very impressive. Okay, the plots are around just over 2,000 square metre plots of urban land, so all mains, waste, water, electric, and this has been fully landscaped. So you've got a number of retaining walls, obviously lots of balustrade, lots of different terraces. Okay, that's obviously the garage on the lower floor, and then the main entrance is automatic sliding gate. Okay, so the top entrance is folding gates. So what we'll do, we'll start off on the garage and we'll work our way up, and you'll get to see what it has to offer. Okay, so into the garage. Okay, obviously it's all fully registered to the deeds. This is where you've got a lot of the working machines. So you've got AC units. There is also kind of a utility area, sink, washing machine, dryer. That's the oil tank there for the boiler, which is in the workroom. So you've got lots and lots of machinery here. That's the main boiler, which could basically run a hotel. You've got backup heaters, heat exchangers, pump control. Okay, and everything is in good order, nice and clean and tidy. And then also, that's the pump there on the top off a huge water deposito, which is about, I think, 30,000 litres of water deposit. Okay, so there's one of the main fuse boxes. Automatic garage door as well, with a motor. So, that kind of gives you a taster of how things are finished off with lots and lots of extras. Okay, so this is a newly laid terrace, which comes directly off the kitchen. You could do something with this area here, perhaps a jacuzzi, or kind of small court of some sort. Okay, and then you get to see very impressive, say, driveways, the space, the views, all landscaped obviously, and all in very good condition. So that's equipped for a little fuente to run off the large rock there. Another retaining wall, and then there's the top entrance there with the Mount Maroma in the background. Okay, with the automatic gates. Then that leads down onto the pool terrace. So in through the main front doors. Again, impressive, nice porchway, good quality. And this leads into a big hallway with a sweeping staircase wrapping round up to a gallery where you have 4 bedrooms off the top there. Okay, so just a general cloakroom. And now this leads into a really impressive. You've got these sliding folding doors, which are brand new, newly installed, high quality UPVC, and they all fold back like the glass curtains essentially, but better quality. Okay, so there's a gas fire just at the back there in the corner. So you've got your main lounge here with the big impressive view, which completely opens out onto a covered terrace. And here you get a better idea of the size of the pool. So that is heated, optional, and it's got an automatic cover as well. Again, all in working order, and you've got the corner steps on the left hand side there. So back into the house. So you've got a separate dining room. Okay, you've got sliding doors here which slide into the wall, integrated. That door comes off the hallway. And then all the shutters on the main patio doors are all automatic as well. Okay, so good sized kitchen with patio door again onto that new terrace where we've just been. And that's got new tiling. And it's been newly plastered as well. So, quite impressive. So we'll go upstairs and see the sleeping area. Just a storeroom here underneath the stairs. Useful storage area. Okay, so upstairs. Obviously they're granite stairs. So impressive hallway and entrance. And you've got a feature stained glass window there in the middle with the mountain in the background. Okay, so all of these 4 bedrooms are en suite with good sized showers, all fitted wardrobes as well. So it's all been newly repainted, and they've all got good views with another terrace and balcony off the patio doors. So this is the master suite with the double doors leading in. Nice size, very light. It's got a big walk-in wardrobe here, all shelved out. Then you've got the ensuite with a shower option, as well as corner jacuzzi bath. Neutral tiles throughout. And then that's kind of quite an amazing view. So that's the second bedroom. You see you've got central heating as well. That's on both levels. So bedroom number 3 with an ensuite shower that goes around the corner there. Again, another double room with that view. And finally the 4th bedroom, ensuite shower, double glazed windows throughout. That's got a little balcony off there. Okay, and then you get wardrobe. Again, there's views all around this property, to be fair. Okay, so this is Casa Vista del Lago. The sale price, market price is $699. There may be a bit of flexibility, but not much, to be honest, given the monies that have been spent recently. But if you want further details or a viewing, contact us directly on 0034 696 522 171, or indeed via our website at villasolutions.net. Thank you.